everyone, welcome to my channel. This video we're going to practice more about month. So in English way, is this how you know like which month has 31 days and which month has 30 days? Chinese use that way as well. And besides that, besides using the hands and fingers, we also have a poem. This is the poem we're going to learn today. The poems is very rhyme, so very catchy for children to speak, and most of us recited when we were very little when we can speak, so that which month we will know. We don't need to ask the adults which month has 31 days. So let's start reading them. 一月大，一月大 it means January. 一月 means January. 大 big. 一月大 well it means that January is bigger, which means it has 31 days. So this is how we know which month has more days. This one 二月小，二月小，二月 means February. 小 small. So 二月小 well it means the February is smaller. It's because it has less days. So the first verse 一月大，二月小。Next one 三月大 March big. 四月小 April small. So you'd understand it again. Let's just read it. 三月大，四月小。五月大，六月小。By now you should know that here 五月 May. May is big. May has 31 days. So let's check. Oh yep, it has 31 days. And 六月小 June small. That means June here 30 days. Okay. 五月大，六月小。七月大，八月大。Oh, this time it's not about one big, one small, but both are big. Let's check. 七月 July 七月大 31 days. August also big 31 days. 七月大，八月大 so both bigger now. Next one 九月小十月大 Let's check. September 30 days. And 十月大 October 31 days. Here 十一月小十二月大 November 十一月小 30 days. December 31 days. 十一月小十二月大 So this is another poem about month. Do you want to read together again? 一月大，二月小，三月大，四月小，五月大，六月小，七月大，八月大，九月小，十月大，十一月小，十二月大。Thank you for your attention. See you next video. Goodbye.